Hello my dear student, lecture number 5 for CBSE board. Chapter number 4, Quadratic equation. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from exercise 4.2. Question number 4. Find two consecutive positive integers sum of whose squares is 365. Okay, now try to understand solution. Read your question properly, find conditions and write proper equations. Okay, solution. Let two consecutive positive integers be x and x plus 1. So by given condition, sum of the squares is equal to 365 and therefore x square plus x plus 1 square is equal to 365. Simplify this, x square plus, expand this, x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 365 and therefore 2x square plus 2x minus 364 is equal to 0. Now then observe this, dividing throughout by 2. So simplify this by dividing 2 because here all coefficients are multiple of 2. So if you divide this, you will get x square plus x minus 182 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. Split up 182 such that subtraction is equal to 1. So that is 14 and 13. So this is larger, this sign goes to 14 and now then this you adjust. This is negative and product is negative. So this is what minus 13 because positive into negative gives you negative. Okay. And therefore x square plus 14x minus 13x minus 182 is equal to 0. And here you make two groups. From this group you take x common, so into bracket x plus 14. Here you take minus 13 common, into bracket x plus 14 is equal to 0. And therefore x plus 14 and but in second bracket x minus 13 is equal to 0 and therefore x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0 and therefore x is equal to minus 14 and x is equal to 13. Since required integers are positive, so it is given and therefore x is equal to 13 and x is not equal to minus 14 and hence two consecutive positive integers are 13 and 14. Okay. Question number 5. The altitude of a right angle triangle is 7 cm less than its base if the hypotenuse is 13 cm. Find the other two sides. Okay, now this question is based on geometry. So in this case you should know all properties of geometry. Now here right angle triangle is given. Now, so first what you try to understand by means of figure. So here this is a triangle ABC in which angle B is equal to 90 and therefore this is an altitude or this is an altitude. Okay, if this is base then this is altitude. Okay, in triangle ABC angle B is equal to 90, hypotenuse AC is equal to 13 cm given. Let base BC, so this is BC, be x centimeter Therefore, altitude AB, so this is what altitude AB, altitude means perpendicular. AB is equal to x minus 7 centimeter. And now you know relation, you know Pythagoras theorem. So this side square plus this side square is equal to hypotenuse square. And therefore AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. And therefore x minus 7 square plus x square is equal to 169. And therefore x square minus 14x plus 49 plus x square is equal to 169. And therefore 2x square minus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. So again observe this, here all coefficients are divisible by 2 and therefore dividing by 2 on both sides you will get x square minus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. And then this is a quadratic equation, factorize this. And therefore now split up minus 60 such that subtraction is equal to 7. Okay, so you know 12 into 5 is equal to 60 and 12 minus 5 or what plus minus 5 is equal to 7. So therefore x square minus 12x plus 5x minus 60 is equal to 0. Make two groups. From this group you take x common x minus 12 plus 5 common x minus 12 is equal to 0. And therefore x minus 12 and x plus 5 is equal to 0. And therefore x minus 12 is equal to 0 or x plus 5 is equal to 0. And therefore x is equal to 12 and x is equal to minus 4. Now this x is what length, it is not negative, and therefore base, that is x, is equal to 12 centimeter and altitude is equal to 5 centimeter, that is other side. Okay. Question number 6. Now this question is slightly lengthy, so you read this question properly. Okay. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of the production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles so produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. Okay, now try to understand. Example is not difficult. It is what lengthy. Solution. Let number of articles be x. Then by given condition the cost of each article was 3 more than twice the number of articles and therefore cost is equal to 3 more than twice the number of articles. Number of articles are x, so twice, that is 2x, and 3 more plus 3, and therefore cost is equal to 2x plus 3. The total cost of production is equal to rupees 90 given, and you know total cost is equal to number of articles into the cost price of each article, and therefore x into 2x plus 3 is equal to 90. Simplify this. 2x square plus 3x minus 90 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. Solve this quadratic equation. So split up 90 into 2, that is minus 180, such that subtraction is equal to 3. So that is equal to 15 and 12. So 15 into 12 is equal to 180. Now this is a greater number, so middle sign goes to greater number, positive, and therefore this is negative. Okay. Then write down these terms. 2x square minus 12x plus 15x minus 90 is equal to 0, and therefore here you make two groups. From this group you take 2x common, so 2x common into bracket x minus 6 plus here you take 15 common into bracket x minus 6 is equal to 0, and therefore x minus 6, this is what common factor, a common bracket, and second bracket is what, 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, and therefore x minus 6 is equal to 0, or 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, and therefore x is equal to 6 and x is equal to minus 15 upon 2. So cos is not negative, so this is a cos, so not negative, or articles not negative, and therefore x is equal to 6. Number of articles are 6, and cost of a article, means each article, is equal to twice this 2x plus 3, so that is equal to rupees 15. Okay. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.